Still no sight of them. I don't know what they're doing, but they only got 2 minutes left.
Hello CS50, my name is Eric Alfredo Zavala Sanginés. In this time I am going to present my project Nmap and Location. In my project we have three functions: get interface, get Nmap scanner, and get location. Get interface permits evaluate the IP address as well generate an interface to the user. Then we have a get Nmap scanner that permit scan all the ports and check if there is any service in a specific server. Then we have get location. Get location using API, application program interface, in order to obtain latitude and longitude data. We have right now a server. In this case we have the port 8080 open and the service SSH. My code, you need to active using this command, and then put the target. Also in this moment we are going to capture all the ports and the service to a specific target. Okay, right now we have the port 2020-22, it's open, and the service is SSH. As well, we have the port 8080, and the type of service is HTTP proxy. So we can see the latitude and longitude as well. If you can verify this server, you can put here the IP address and check that is a Jenkins server to make automation. That is my project CS50.